Hi there, this is the second part of the Lightly Row help video. Okay, so we're going to start off from where we left off. So hopefully we already know the tune and the song for this piece. Okay, so there was two different songs, so you can choose the one you like. Okay, try to learn the words, sing them along with the CD, and play on the E string, look out for the slow bows, lots of things which start to get you into the picture of how this tune sounds. Okay, now we're going to work on playing the first line. So at this stage it's good to have a Suzuki book. Okay, so if you haven't got one already, buy one. Suzuki Violin School Volume 1 Revised Edition. Okay, don't get the one that's just in Italian and French. So we're going to turn to the page with Lightly Row on it. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, it's got 4 lines. So Lightly Row, you can look at it as a conversation between 3 people. Okay, so line number 1 is person number 1, and that's you, the violinist. Line number 2 is going to be your parents. Okay, and line number 3 is me, your teacher. Okay, so first thing we need to look at is how line number 2 and number 4 are the same. So when we're looking at new music, we look for patterns, and this is the first pattern, because once we've noticed that, it means that we have less to learn. So it's nice and easy, and that makes all the difference. Make it easy. Okay, so I'm going to play the first line now. Okay, so I'm going to leave this here so that you can see it. Will it stay up? Let's hope. Okay. So we've prepared the scale, the first 4 notes, E, 2, trick, 1, and then we did the scale. Now we're just going to add those together. So this is your line, line number 1. Okay? So it's just about adding the 2 together. Those first notes with the trick, and then the scale with the repeated E's. Okay? So once you're good at that, we'll look at the parents line, number 2. Now, your job now is to listen to see what's different and what's the same. I'm going to play the second line. Okay, so you probably realise that the first notes are the same, but there's an extra note. Extra note. Extra note. Okay, and the end is different. Okay, I'm going to move the music now so you can see properly. Now the last part of that line, which is here, do, 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 do. This is a really important building block in music. We've had our scale, A, 1, 2, 3, E, notch goes up by step, another very important musical building block. And now we have our arpeggio, or chord. Okay, I'm going to play these notes on the pizzicato on the violin. Okay, so A, 2, E. Okay, now if we put those three notes together, all together at the same time, it makes a chord. Okay, now chords are very important structural elements in music, and obviously chords go underneath things. So I was doing the chords that underpin the melody, the notes that go on top. Okay, so those notes, when we spread them out here, do, 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 they make a chord. Okay, now they're not like a scale because they have some notes missed out. So it starts with A, misses out the 1, 2, misses out the 3, E. Okay, so we can sing this. A, 2, E, E. Okay, and then it returns to the 2 at the end. 2, 2, 2. So you can practice this bit separately. These sections at the middle, at the beginning, are very similar to the beginning, so it should be fine. E, 2, 2, 2. Trick fingers. 1, 1, 1, and now our chord. A, 2, E, E, 2, 2, 2. I'm going to play that section now. Okay. Now we're going to go on to the third and final new line of music. Okay, and that is here. This is my line, the teacher. Okay, so it goes 1 and 1 and 1, 2, 3, 2 and 2 and 2, 3, E. Okay, so you can sing that again. We can do it with our fingers. 1 and 1 and 1, 2, 3, 2 and 2 and 2, 3, E. Okay, we'll do it one more time. This time we'll do it with round fingers. 1 and 1 and 1, 2, 3. Back to the 2. 2 and 2 and 2. 3, E. Okay? So all you need to do is put it onto your violin. Won't sing it, clap it, say it, finally play it, and it'll be easy. 1 and 1 and 1, 2, 3, 2 and 2 and 2, 3, E. Okay. So there is how to play Lightly Row, how to break it down into small bits so it's manageable. You've also got the video of me playing it through and the video of the songs to help you. So good luck with it.